Hello guys! As you can see here, this is Captain Reza speaking. Please fasten your seatbelt and prepare for takeoff. Thank you. Today I'm gonna talk about how we can change job preferences setting on LinkedIn website. I don't know you can remember or not, but when we wanted to create our LinkedIn profile, there were some questions that we answered, such as job titles, such as the location we want to go there and work, such as employment types, etc. And it seems you are watching this video because you don't remember how you can change these settings. So I'm here to remind you. Before we go to LinkedIn, I want to introduce my channel to you. My channel is Captain Reza, and this is the link. I have network training in my channel, which is in my playlist. Some of them are in Persian and some of them are in English. For example, I've just started a MyCritique MTCNA course in English, and I teach some configuration on MyCritique too. I will teach you Cisco soon, and I will add my Cisco course to my channel. If you like, subscribe and support me. So let's go to LinkedIn. First, we open our LinkedIn, okay? For changing settings which is related to us, first we should go to our profile. How we can go to our profile? Through this path. I click on me and then I click on view profile. Okay, so here is an introduction of me, and I can change many settings here, such as about, activities, experiences, project, education, license, skills, etc. But here I want to change some settings about my job title, my job location, etc. First, I should know what settings I've set it, okay? I come here and I click on show details. It shows me the settings which I've set it before, okay? For example, I've set it network administrator, network specialist, system integration specialist, system integrator, computer networking. These are the jobs which I'm looking for, okay? Then I have location type. I want to be on site. I want to work hybrid. I want to work remotely. Which one? I choose all of them. The location on site, the location which we want to go there and we want to work there. Okay, for example, I am in Iran and I want to migrate to Germany. Okay, I'm studying Deutsch right now, but I will accept a good condition in Netherlands, Finland, Belgium, Luxembourg too. Okay, so I chose them. The location which I wanna work remotely, I chose Australia, Canada, England, United Kingdom, Germany, and Netherlands. Okay, and etc. I wanna go and explain all of them. So these are the settings which I've set it. How can I change them? It's simple. I should click on edit, which is like a pencil, and this settings is here. I can change all of these settings. For example, imagine I changed my job, okay, and I'm not a network administrator now. For example, I spent some time and learn how to be a mechanic, and I have experience in mechanic, and I want to leave my job as network administrator, and now I want to work as a mechanic. So I come here. Before that, I should change my profile and add my new experiences, okay? But I come here and remove these items, and I add my new job title as a mechanic. Oops, sorry, mechanic. What? Oh, mechanic. I wrote mechanic like the Deutschen people write it. Okay, for example, mechanical engineer. I'm sorry, I'm learning a new language and my language knowledge are mixed up. And both of them are not my mother tongue. Anyway, so I know that a mechanic should be on site and a mechanic can't work remotely. I don't know, it's an example. No offense to mechanic. So I choose on-site, and then I choose the location which I want to work at them. For example, I don't want to work in Luxembourg. I delete it. I want to work in USA. So I add United States to this part. The next option, start date. When you want to start these settings. Immediately, you're seriously looking for a job to apply or no. You want this setting be flexible, okay? You're casually looking, not seriously. And the employment types which you can choose and work part-time, for example, work contract, internship, temporary, every one of them you need, you can choose it. The next one is that oops, sorry, I'm sorry, there was a loud sound here and I didn't want this sound to be in our video. So the last option that we have is that you want your profile be open and all of the LinkedIn members, such as your connection and the others, see your profile or not. You only want recruiters, I think. I don't know if I spelled it correct or not, but these people, which they can hire people on LinkedIn, just them see your profile. Okay, so I prefer to be all LinkedIn members watch my profile, see my profile. So after I change the settings, it's only needed to click on save, and then the settings you set it save in your profile. But I don't want to change my profile settings, so I discard the settings. I want to show you something else. For example, the jobs like network administrator, like programmers, which they can work remotely, they can choose remote, and after they choose remote, they see an extra option, which is location. You can work remotely. For example, I chose Australia, Canada, England, United Kingdom, Germany, and Netherlands. If I receive a new job from these countries for doing the work remotely, I will accept it. And my LinkedIn search in these countries for remote jobs for me after I chose these countries. Okay, so it offers me the jobs which is remotely from these countries. Okay, these were the settings which we wanted to change. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.